The history of coffee is rich and spans several centuries, beginning with its origins in Ethiopia and spreading throughout the world. The story of coffee is a fascinating journey that traces its path from ancient Ethiopia to becoming one of the most beloved beverages worldwide. Early beginnings. Ethiopia, 9th century. Coffee is believed to have been discovered in the 9th century by an Ethiopian goat herder named Kaldi, who noticed his goats became energetic after eating berries from a certain shrub. Curious, Kaldi tried the berries himself and felt a similar burst of energy. He brought them to a local monastery where the monks experimented by creating a drink from the berries, finding that it helped them stay awake during long prayers. Monks in local monasteries used these berries to make a drink that helped them stay awake during long hours of prayer. Spread to the Arab world. Yemen, 15th century. The knowledge of coffee spread from Ethiopia to Yemen, where it began to be cultivated in the 15th century. Yemeni Sufi monks used coffee to stay alert during their religious rituals. The drink gained popularity and started to be traded through the port of Mocha, lending its name to the coffee beans exported from there. Coffee spread from Ethiopia to Yemen, where it was cultivated and used extensively in Sufi monasteries to stay awake during prayers. The port city of Mochad in Yemen became a center for coffee trade. Arabia, 16th century. 2. Coffee quickly spread across the Arabian Peninsula. Coffee spread to Persia, Misr, and the Ottoman Empire. It was not only used in religious contexts, but also in social settings. Coffee houses, known as kahvekhane, became popular in cities such as Mecca and Qahira for socializing, discussing politics, and enjoying music and games. These establishments were hubs for social interaction, intellectual discourse, and entertainment. Introduction to Europe. Europe, 17th century. Introduction via Venice. Venetian merchants brought coffee to Europe in the early 17th century. Coffee houses quickly spread across Europe, starting in Italy and then moving to England, France, and Germany. These coffee houses became hubs for intellectual exchange and political discussion. Arrival in Europe. Initially, it was met with suspicion and was even condemned by some religious authorities. Pope Clement VIII allegedly tasted coffee and approved it, leading to its acceptance among Christians. Rise of coffee houses. The first European coffee house opened in Venice in 1645. England followed with a coffee house in Oxford in 1650 and another in London in 1652. These coffee houses became known as penny universities because, for the price of a penny, one could buy a cup of coffee and gain access to intellectual discussions and news. Expansion to the Americas. Americas, 17th-18th century. Coffee was introduced to the Americas by European colonists. The French brought it to the Caribbean, while the Dutch planted it in Java. In the 18th century, Brazil emerged as a major coffee producer after the plant was smuggled from French Guiana. Brazil's vast plantations transformed it into the largest coffee producer in the world. Modern era spread to the New World. Industrialization and globalization. 19th-21st century. By the 19th century, coffee had become one of the world's most valuable commodities. Coffee production and trade became crucial to the economies of many developing countries. The 20th century saw the rise of major coffee brands and the coffee culture we know today, with the proliferation of coffee shops and chains like Starbucks. The 20th century saw the rise of instant coffee and large coffee companies, making coffee more accessible. The late 20th and early 21st centuries witnessed the growth of specialty coffee shops and chains like Starbucks, elevating coffee from a mere commodity to an experience. coffee culture flourished, with an emphasis on quality, artisanal brewing methods, and sustainability. Impact and legacy. Coffee has shaped cultures, economies, and social practices worldwide. It has been a catalyst for social interaction, intellectual exchange, and economic development. Throughout its history, coffee has evolved from a mysterious berry to a global commodity, shaping cultures, economies, and social practices around the world. Today, coffee is one of the most popular beverages globally, enjoyed by millions every day in various forms, from espresso to cappuccino to cold brew. The story of coffee is a testament to its enduring appeal and its ability to adapt and thrive across different cultures and eras.